For example, like Mayor Espinosa, pinatay po, Paruhinog, pinatay.
Sa production ng shabu.
At ang base po nila sa Davao. Ang kanilang base sa Davao.
Opo. Ang itrace ko nga namin, nasa Davao.
At ang dating Pangulo ay mayor pa ng Davao nung araw.
Opo, siya po yung mayor.
Just 50 meters away from the clandestine laboratory.
Sino po nagtayo?
Sila, Mayor Duterte. Mr. Chair, iba yung iba yung analysis ko doon, Mr. Chair. Kung bakit nagtayo ng Davao Laboratory.
During that time,
Mr.
the
Chair.
former president became president and he had war on drugs and killed so many people. Ano po yung assessment nyo dyan?
Na pwede kong ituro ang ating presidente.
Oh.
Kanino niyo po sinabit yung confidential report na ginawa niyo noong 2017?
Ang mukhang binigyan ko po ng report ay si Director Cascolan na ipinakuha ni then Chief PNP Bato de la Rosa at nung maupo si Chief PNP Oscar Albayalde, binigyan ko rin po siya ng report.
Ano po nangyari sa report?
Wala pong nangyari. Ako po ang binaliktad kung ano pong ibinintang sa akin at dininay nila yung mga report.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just one manifestation. Considering the profile of the personalities involved na nire-report po sa atin ni Colonel, this humble representation hopes that a thorough investigation be conducted. Hindi biro po yung mga nalalaman nating impormasyon ngayon eh. These allegations, if these allegations are true, then we should be alarmed and drastic measures be implemented. We need laws to protect people like ang ating colonel ngayon na nagbibigay na impormasyon na to. In the end, we wouldn't want drug syndicates to be able to penetrate the higher echelon of our government.
Kanino po nanggagaling yung reward?
Ang alam po talaga is galing ng Davao. So
si Captain Perote ay nawawala simula 2019? Yan ba yung sinabi mong dinukot?
Opo, ang ganyan po nawawala. Dinukot po sa lobby ng Metro Inn Hotel Bacolod. Sa lobby ng Metro Inn Hotel Bacolod.
Dinukot siya at he was never seen again?
Opo, ang ganyan po, nawawala.
Okay, is that yes, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ganito lang po, Mr. Chairman. Why I moved to issue a show cause, but I don't have any debate with regards to the possible amendments to my motion with regards to show cause order for Attorney Delgra. But remember, Mr. Chairman, that we have already sent 2 invitations. This is the second hearing that we invited the former president. And the first invitation was answered by Attorney Delgra, for on behalf of the president, in the absence of that authority being requested by this committee through this representation during the last hearing. Now, Mr. Chairman, looking at the answer, looking at the reply of Attorney Delgra on the first hearing, well, in fact, Mr. Chairman, naglulukuhan tayo dito. Why? Why? Because the first reply made by Attorney Delgra representing the former president is that the excuse is that the former president needs much rest, and assured this committee that he will be present in the next hearing. At the same time, he has a specific date, Mr. Chairman, given to this committee through this letter, after November 1. And let me read, Mr. Chairman, allow me to read in toto the portion of such reply coming from Attorney Delgra. Hence, my client respectfully requests to defer his appearance before the Honorable Committee scheduled tomorrow. Rest assured of my client's willingness to appear before the House of Representatives on some other available date, preferably after November 1, 2024. And for the record, Mr. Chairman, the invitation that was sent to the former president and was answered by Attorney Delga was before the presence of the former president in the Senate. And he has promised us, this committee, through his letter, that after November 1, he will be present in today's hearing. Ano to? Naglulukuhan tayo dito? Well, in fact, I will not discuss and argue with our colleague, Congressman Kit Flores, with regards to the content of this second letter. But, malinaw po, Mr. Chairman, na naglulukuhan tayo dito. Naglulukuhan tayo dito because the first letter promised us that he will be present after November 1. Kung hindi tayo naglulukuhan dito, eh ano? Natatakot siya? Na pumunta dito? That's why, Mr. Chairman, that's why my first motion was to issue a show cause order for Attorney Delga to answer both letters. And, Mr. Chairman, and I would like to reiterate once again that we should invite again the former president to be present in the next hearing.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Paduano.